Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is universal law of gravitation or Newton's law of gravitation. So Newton's law of gravitation says that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. To understand this concept, suppose there are two objects A and B separated by the distance D. So the distance between the two objects are measured from their center, not from their bodies. Okay. So the object A is bigger and the object B is small. So the mass of the object A is m1 and the mass of the object B is m2. So as the object A is bigger, so the mass of the object A m1 is greater than m2. So according to Newton's law of gravitation, force is directly proportional to mass and force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. मीन्स फोर्स क्या होगा, वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा मास के एंड इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा डिस्टेंस के. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पर क्या है, इन दिस कंडीशन ऑब्जेक्ट ए का जो मास है वो ग्रेटर है और ऑब्जेक्ट बी का जो मास है वो स्मॉल है बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट ए इज़ ग्रेटर. सो फोर्स is directly proportional to m1 into m2. So force is directly proportional to m1 into m2 and force is inversely proportional to the 1 by d square, means force is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So we can write it like this: force is directly proportional to masses m1 into m2 and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So as the force, you know that force is directly proportional to m1 into m2, force is directly proportional to the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So if the mass of any of the object increases, the gravitational force will have more magnitude, means the gravitational force also increases. And more the distance between the two objects, lesser will be the gravitational force. Means अगर distance ज़्यादा होगा तो force decrease होगा. Okay, so F is equals to g m1 into m2 by d square. So this equation is the Newton's law of gravitation. So here in this equation, G is constant of proportionality and is called universal gravitational constant, and the theoretical value of G is 6.673 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So that's all about the Newton's law of gravitation. Thank you.